for this video we're going to be talking about solving systems graphically. I know it says entry 31, yours may be different, kind of depends on where we're hitting it during the lesson. And the standard we're talking about today is MM3G1D, which essentially is we're talking about graphing circles and lines together. So as you can see, you have our system here with our bracket. We have y minus 2 equals 0, and we have our circle of x plus 10 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 9. So to help us go through and do this, I'm going to go through and play our recording so we can see what's going on. Now, as you can see, we're labeling. Our first one is our line. Our second one is our circle. So now we know that. I'm going to go through and erase this, and we're going to go on to our first step. First thing we're going to do is we're going to determine the equation of the line in y equals form. So let me get this up here and going. So we have y minus 2 equals 0. And then we need to add 2 to each side. And we're going to go through and we end up with y equals 2 as our line. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we need to go through and draw our circle. So remember, our center, we take the opposites of what's in here. So we have a negative 10 and 4, plot our center. And then we take the square root of what's on the end for our radius, which is 3. So we went 3 each direction, plotted our points, and we drew our circle. The next thing we need to do is we're going to draw our line. So we have y equals 2. When it's only y, it's always going to be a horizontal line. So we find where y is 2, and we draw our line straight across. The last thing we're going to look for is we're going to see and determine the coordinates of the intersections or solutions to the system. And as you can see, there are 2 of them. There's one about right there and one about right here. So we have 2 solutions or intersections here for our graph. And we're going to go ahead and approximate them. Right here we have one at about negative 11.5 and 2. And then for our other one, maybe negative 9 and about 2. As long as you were close there, you were good.